This station is participating in the test of the Illinois Emergency Alert System. This system was developed to provide information to the public during emergencies. This was a test.
The following is a routine weekly test for the following counties in Tennessee: Bedford, Kenning, Coffee, Franklin, Grundy, Marshall, Moore, Rutherford, Warren, Williamson, and Wilson. This is a test of the NOAA radio warning alarm device and emergency alert system. During potentially dangerous weather situations and civil emergencies, specially equipped receivers are automatically activated to warn of impending danger. A test of these receivers is conducted every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon, weather permitting. In the event of the test being canceled, it will then be rescheduled for the next day between 11 a.m. and noon. This is NOAA Radio Station WXK63, operating 24 hours a day on a frequency of 162.475 megahertz, with transmitting facilities in Coffee County. This broadcast originates from the National Weather Service Office located near Nashville. This service is provided in part by the Metropolitan Nashville Office of Emergency Management. Repeating, this has been a test of the NOAA radio warning alarm device. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially equipped receivers are automatically activated to warn of impending danger. The alarm will be activated for severe weather watches and warnings or civil emergencies affecting the Middle Tennessee counties of Bedford, Kenning, Coffee, Franklin, Grundy, Marshall, Moore, Rutherford, Warren, Williamson, and Wilson. This concludes the test of the NOAA radio warning alarm device and emergency alert system. We now return you to regular programming. The alarm will be activated for severe weather watches and warnings or civil emergencies affecting the Middle Tennessee. Here is the forecast for Manchester, Tracy City, Estill Springs, Wartrace, Bradyville, Murfreesboro, and surrounding areas. Welcome today. The test of the NOAA radio warning alarm device and emergency alert system. West winds up to. We now return you to regular programming tonight.
Before the end of the video here, this is the first time I've ever seen them do this. They did it right at 11. Right at 11 o'clock they did it. That is very rare. They usually do it around 11:15. But it's very surprising. They actually did it at 11. I guess they were already prepared today early, I guess.
Proceeding was a test of the National Weather Service Emergency Warning System from Winchester, WNG 554. This test is conducted at approximately 11:30 each Wednesday morning, weather permitting. If this had been an actual emergency weather situation, the warning alarm would have been followed by an actual watch or warning. Reception of this broadcast and the warning alarm will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, will occur even if you are using a quality receiver in perfect working order. To provide the most consistent warning service possible, the warning alarm will normally be activated for warnings in selected watches within a 40-mile radius of your transmitter. This area includes the following counties in the Winchester listening area. In Alabama, Jackson and Madison. In Tennessee, Bedford, Coffee, Franklin, Grundy, Lincoln, and more. This concludes the weekly test of the warning alarm system. We now return to our normal weather broadcast.